yung isa. Isa pa, isa pa. Subido.
Isa pa, sir. Isa pa. Ay, Mel, ikaw na, Mel.
Players, all touch-in players.
Ay, subido ba? Walang subido rito.
Our semi-final match, School Warriors against Adamson. Ball game! First position, out. Adamson ball, Adamson. Our semi-final game, School Warriors against Adamson. UAAP Season 4, La Piguera. Drive, coast to coast, short, rebound on Subido. Subido to Almarillo. Punsalan. Punsalan, side step, Punsalan, first basket, Punsalan. What a great shot coming from Punsalan. 2-0. Favor of School Warriors. La Piguera. Looking for Agent Makalalad. Makalalad agent sa La Piguera, too strong. Rebound on Almarillo. Amarillo now, it's 4-3. 1-4, Amarillo. Amarillo, hesitate. Looking for Dador, Aparador. Dador now, Dador, stop up. Looking for Punsalan. Intercepted by La Piguera. La Piguera to Agent Makalalad. Agent Makalalad. Wala gumo by Agent Makalalad. Great shot, left hand by Great Makalalad. 8 minutes, 50 seconds. Score 2-all. Steal by the area monitor. Sabiliano. Sabiliano. Too strong. Nice defense on Punsalan. Rebound on La Piguera. La Piguera block. Foul on number 18 on Subido. First personal foul against Subido. First team foul. School Warriors. 8 minutes. 36 seconds. Now 1 point lead. Adamson. 3-2, 8 minutes, 36 seconds. This is our semi-final game against Adamson and School Warriors. Now 4-2. 2-point lead on Adamson. Now Punsalan. Setting a play. Pass to Almarillo. Almarillo. Pick. Pull on jumper. Nice move by Almarillo. 8-4-all now. 4-all. What a shot coming from Almarillo. Now La Piguera. To Agent Makalalad. La Piguera. Sabihan na pick. Amarillo. Short. Rebound on Dador. Aparador. To Punsalan. Punsalan now. Punsalan. Carried by Agent. Punsalan. Too strong. Rebound by the white shirts. Agent Makalalad. To La Piguera. La Piguera now. La Piguera. Pass to Agent Makalalad. Isole. Favorite. 10 to shoot. 10. Agent Makalalad. Favorite shot on Agent Makalalad. Now 6-4. 2-point lead now on Adamson. This is our semi-final game against School Warriors. Against Adamson. Our UAAP Season 4 of Basketballista. Chubolista. To Dador, Aparador. Too strong. Almarillo again. Almarillo. 14 to shoot. 14. 10. Rebound by the one shirt sa Sabiliano. To La Piguera. La Piguera. Coast to coast. Looking to Sabiliano. Block! What a block! By Aurelio. 18 to shoot. 18. What a block shot by Sobolostro. To La Piguera. Back to Sabiliano. Sabiliano foul. Basket count. And one against Sabiliano. Who's foul left? Foul on number 23 of Sobolostro. Second team foul on School Warriors. First on Sobolostro. 6-4. 2-point lead now against Adamson. Our semi-final game, two-overnight game, now 7-4, 3-point lead on Adamson. 9-4. Punsalan. Drive. Pow! Foul on number 35, Agent Makalalad.
First personal foul.
First on number 35, Agent Makalat, first team foul against Adamson. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. On the first quarter, 9-4. 5-point lead against Adamson, our first quarter. Putsalan now. Second free throw, Putsalan. Again, too strong. Rebound by White Shirt. Simbako to Sabiliano. Sabiliano crossover. Sabiliano to Isole. Back to Sabiliano. Sabiliano. La Peguera. 14 to shoot. 14. Steal on Subido. 3 on 2. Subido. Subido now. Subido. Back to Almarello. Almarello. 14 to shoot. 14. Foul.
Foul sa Villano.
Foul on number 69 on Sabiliano. Second team foul on Sabiliano. First team foul on second team foul Adamson. First on Sabiliano. Putsalan. 10 to shoot. Subido to Aparador. Gador. Crossover. Back step. Too strong. Rebound on. White shot again. La Peguera. Wala kayong La Peguera. Time out. On Cool Warriors, 11-4. 7-point lead now on Adamson. 4 against 11. 7-point lead against Adamson. This is our semi-final game on UAP. Season 4. Punsalan. Pass to Subido. Sobolostro. Punsalan. Steal. Almarillo. 14 to shoot. 14. Amarillo.
Nice D!
Rebound on La Peguera. 1-on-1 to Sobolostro. La Peguera. Black. Agent Makalat. Foul.
11.
Foul on number 11. Amarillo. First personal foul on Amarillo. 13 foul on Adamson. Free throw shot. Keep it by.
Third na Cool Warrior. 1 point.
Gets out. 12-4. 8-point lead against Adamson. 13-4. Now 9-point lead by Adamson. 5 minutes. Our semi-final game. UE Cool Warriors versus Adamson. Same ball. 18 to shoot. 18. Aparador. Drive. To Silvestro. Too strong. Simbako. To Sabiliano. Steal by Putsalan. Putsalan to Aparador. It's 3-2. Aparador. To get too strong. Rebound on Simbako. Simbako to La Peguera. La Peguera all the way. La Peguera. 15-4. Now 11-point lead against Adamson. This is our semi-final game against UE Warriors. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 20, Sole.
First foul.
First personal foul on the aerial Voyager, Sole.
13 foul.
13 foul on Adamson. 4 minutes.
Nice one!
The winner of this match will advance to the finals against UP or NU. Rebound by Agent Makalalat. He's solid. Pass to La Peguera. Hey, La Peguera goes over. Yes! La Peguera. 17-4 now. 13-point lead on Adamson. Aparador to Putsalan. Subido, back to Punsalan. Amarillo. Roll, move. Amarillo! What a great move by Amarillo. Basket count and 1. Who's foul left? Foul on number 35. Makalalad, Agent Makalalad. Warning for penalty on Adamson. Second personal foul on Agent Makalalad. 3 minutes and 29 seconds. 17 to 7. 10-point lead now on Adamson. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. This is our semi-final game. UE Cool Warriors versus Adamson. Rebound by Dador, Aparador. Aparador, Dador now. Dador, Cusawa. Intercept by Sevillano. 1-1. Sevillano to La Piguera. La Piguera. Carry by Amarillo. La Piguera in and out. Rebound again by La Piguera. La Piguera. Pass to Makalan, Agent. Simbago, 10 to shoot, 10! Oh! Hamsan Montavillano! 19 to 7. Back to 12-point lead on Adamson. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. At Tador, Aparador. Carried by Aaron Berger, 1-1. Tador, back to Punsalan. Punsalan, sitting a play. 14 to shoot, 14. Punsalan now. Drive. Punsalan to Subido, 10! Oh! In and out, Tador. Nine! 14 to shoot, 14. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. 14 to shoot. Tador, Subido. Bang! Oh, Subido! 19 to 10 now. 9-point lead on Adamson. La Piguera to Isole. La Piguera to Agent Makalalan. Makalalan. Kalalan ka din sa puso. So 14 to shoot. 14. Sevillano. In and out. Rebound on Punsalan. Punsalan now. Carnival La Piguera. Punsalan to Subido. Same spot. Pick. Subido sa isep. Punsalan. Subido again. To Suladoso. Too strong. Oh, Subido. Again in and out. 1 minute and 20 seconds. La Piguera. La Piguera crossover pass. Back. La Piguera again. Oh, La Piguera. 21 to 10. 11-point lead now against Adamson. 1 minute. Remaining time. 1 minute. Amarillo. To Punsalan. Dador, Aparador. Short. Dador again. Rebound. Dador, Aparador. Then move. Dador, Aparador. Lumabas. 10 to shoot. 10. 3-second violation on Dador, Aparador. 41 seconds. 41. How? Isole. Short. 30 seconds. 30. 14 to shoot. 33 seconds. 33 seconds, 14 to shoot. La Piguera. 10. Short. Save ball. 10 to shoot. 10, 22 seconds. 10 to shoot. Responded. All on Dador, Aparador. First on Dador, Aparador. Warning for penalty on Cool Warriors. 19 seconds, 19. 19 seconds. 23-10. Subido. Punsalan. Punsalan now. 10 seconds. Amarillo. Dador, Aparador. Hey. Too strong. Amarillo. 5 seconds. Short. And our first quarter, our score!
Lamang lang isa yan. Juan, gana ha.
Red ball, red. Okay, second quarter. Inbound and Pasag. Now, Tunisia. Too strong. Nice first basket by Luzon. Now the director now in the ball game, the director Sablan. Pass to Alarcon. Arayo. Pako! Too strong pass. Coming from us. Turnover! On Adamson. Our score 23-10. Favor of Adamson. This is our semi-final game. 2-or-die game. Pasag, favorite shot. Too strong for Satem. Rebound by Santia. Santia now. Santia. Carried by Isia. To the director. Back to Santia. Santia, pay. 14 to shoot. 14.
Huli, check!
10. Rebound na Richards. Lungsod. Lungsod. Coast to coast. Lungsod! In and out again. Now, Alarcon. Alarcon, the Euro step man. Alarcon, foul. Foul on number 6 on Lungsod. First on Lungsod. First team foul, Cool Warriors. Score 23-10. 13-point lead against Adamson. 8 minutes and 51 seconds on our second quarter. 24-10. Now is Sia.
Angatan mo yan, angatan mo! Yan, angatan mo!
Sia. Carmelo doon. Sia escape. Air ball. Turnover again on the Richards.
Galaw!
Sadia. Short. Rebound on Pasag. Pasag now. Pasag. Drive. Pass to Lungsod. Same ball. 8 minutes. 14 to shoot.
Refill at saka Padermo.
Screen!
Bounding Luzon. Steal by Sadia. Sadia, pass to Tarayo. Short. Rebound on Isia. It's 2-on-2. Lungsod, got it by Lungsod. What a play by Lungsod! 24-12, 12-point lead on Adamson. Now the director Sablan. Bang on Sablan. The director 27-12. Back to 15-point lead on Adamson. Lungsod, 1-on-1 with Tarayo. Lungsod na, crossover, foul. Problem violation. Lungsod, turnover again by Cool Warriors. 27-12, 15-point lead by Adamson. This is our semi-final game. Adamson against Cool Warriors. Our UAAP match. Bang! Time out! On Cool Warriors.
Time out tayo dito, diba?
Our score now, 30 against 12. Favor of the white shirts, Adamson. Semi-final game, do-or-die game. Adamson against Cool Warriors. Pasag. Too strong. Rebound on De La Cruz. Steal. Aderna. Again, short. Padir again. Pass to Luzon. 10 to shoot. 10. Bang! Bang, 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 bang. On Luzon. 30 to 15 now. 15 point lead on Adamson. Sadia. Pass to Sablan. Luzon. De La Cruz. In and out. Oh, top. Wow! Tarayo! 32 to 15, 17 feet led by Anderson. Isia. Pasok, pasag. Short again. Iba may Sadia. Carry by pasag. Sadia now. Sadia. Nice defense of pasag. Back to the director to sa plan. Sadia. Short. Okay, red shirts. 32 to 15. 17 point lead on Adamson. Our semi-final game. Isia. Cardi Belarcon. Isia. To Luzon. Drive. Luzon. Pow.
Relax. Ano ba yan?
Foul on number 18 on De La Cruz. Second team foul on first on Adamson. First team foul on De La Cruz. 5 minutes and 36 seconds. This is our semi-final game. UAAP Season 4. UE Cool Warriors versus Adamson. Foul! Foul on number 5 on Tarayo. First personal foul on Tarayo. Second team foul on Adamson. Lungsod. Rebound on the director Sablan. Sablan now. To Alarcon. Eurostep. Wow! Wala ba ba Eurostep? Alarcon. 35 to 15. 19 point lead now. Against Adamson. Pasag. Cardi Pelong. Oh, Gansan. Adenal. Lugin to Pasag. Pasag pick. Drive. Pasag to Lungsod. Short. Rebound on the Richards. Wow! Pasag. Wala shot coming from Pasag. 34 to 17. 17 point lead on Adamson. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. This is our semi-final lane. The director sa plan. In and out. Rebound on the Richards. Pass to Luzon. Muna sa Dia. Luzon. Drive. Right side. Wow! Pasag. 19 to 34.
Receiver!
Back to 15 point lead on Adamson. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Director sa plan. Big. Jumper to strong again. Di ba na Isia? Pow!
Team foul.
Foul on 0-1. The Eurostep man. Alarcon. Third team foul on Adamson. First personal foul on the Eurostep man. Alarcon. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Isia. Nice move. Isia. Pass to Pasag. Bang! On Pasag! 22 to 34 now. 12 point lead on Adamson. 4 minutes.
Wavy!
The director, Sadia now. Pass to De La Cruz. Polo jumper. De La Cruz! 36 to 22. Pasag again. Same spot. Top bump. Nice move. Pasag. Short. Sadia now. Drive. Sadia. Pass to the Eurostep. Wow! Basket ka na luhan on Alarcon. Foul on number 6 on Luzon. Second team foul on Cool Warriors. Second personal foul on Luzon. 3 minutes and 29 seconds. 38 to 22. Short. Luzon. It's 4 on 2. 4 on 4. Luzon. Pasag. Take. Too strong again. Rebound on Tarayo. Ang director Sablan. Sablan 40 to 22. 3 minutes.
Sa inyo!
This is our semi-final game. Lungsod, Gani Betarayo. Lungsod, Tuisia. Tusong, Sadia. Sadia now to Sablan. Sablan to director. Sablan, Gani Besia. Ostukos, De La Cruz. 14 to shoot, 14. Sadia. Astutarayo. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Lungsod. Lungsod. It's 3 on 3. Lungsod, one on by De La Cruz. Lungsod escape. Foul. Nice defense of De La Cruz. Foul. Foul on number 18, Padera. 13 foul on Cool Warriors. 13 foul. First personal foul on Paderna. 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Eurostep man again. Wow! The Eurostep man! Alarcon! 42 to 22 now. 20 point lead on Adamson. 2 minutes. Pasag. Short. Rebound again. 14% shot clock. 14. 1 minute and 58 seconds. This is our semi-final game. Asia. Sablan to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Back to the director Sablan. Sablan. Looking for Tarayo. Troubling violation. 1 minute and 37 seconds on our second quarter. 42 against 22. Pasag. 1 minute and 20. Foul. Foul on number 5. Once a timeout. Gone. Is Sian on the pure line? Yes, sir, Sian. 42 to 23. 19-point lead against the White Shirts, Adamson. Rebound on to the director Sablan. Sabia. Foul! Foul! Foul on number 6 Lungsod. Warning for penalty on Cool Warriors. Third personal foul on Lungsod. 1 minute and 12 seconds, second quarter. Short. Our semi-final match, UE Cool Warriors versus Adamson Falcons. De La Cruz. 10 to shoot, 10. Tusong. The director again. The director to go. Rebound by Watson. Tarayo. 44 to 23. 50 seconds. Pasag. Pwede pa sa dia. 45 seconds. 14 to shoot. Lungsod. De La Cruz. 35 seconds. 35. And director again. It's 3-on-3. Stop, pump, pull. Rebound on the return. Lungsod now. Lungsod. Foul. Foul on number 1 on the Eurostep man. Alarcon. Penalty. Third on the Eurostep man. Alarcon. 23 seconds. 23. Nice shot coming from Lungsod. 44 to 24. 20-point lead on Adamson. 25 to 44. 23 seconds. Sablan.
Tira mo na!
Kay Mesia. 15. Sadia. Wow! Iba pa yung doon. Pasang. 5 seconds. Bang! 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 On! Pasang! And about second quarter score 44-20. Third quarter. La Piguera. Kalbay. Putsala steal. Same ball. 13 to shoot. 13. Last touch by Red. 13 to shoot. La Piguera. 10. Agent Makalalan. Kalbay Punsalan. 5 seconds. Sabiliano. Air ball. Nice defense on Cool Warriors. 28 to 44. Isia now. Isia. Favorite shot. Bang on Isia. 44 to 30 now. 40 din ang Adamson. La Piguera. To Agent Makalalan. La Piguera. Still La Piguera. Oh, rebound. Sabiliano. Foul. Puspalan. Foul on number 8 against Punsalan. First team foul, Cool Warriors. First personal foul on Punsalan. 9 minutes and 10 seconds. This is our semi-final game. UAAP Season 4 by Basketballista. 44 to 30. 14 point lead now on Adamson. Sabiliano now. Yes, on Sabiliano. Foul. Basket count, just ball it. Oh, foul on Big Daddy Alarcon. First personal foul on Big Daddy Alarcon.
Morning court. Number 8. Counted, no counted, right?
Counted. 45 to 30. First personal foul on Big Daddy Alarcon. Isia. Air ball. Rebound on Big Daddy. Wow! Struggling on Sabiliano. First turnover of Adamson. First turnover of the Ninja. Sabiliano. Punsalan. Punsalan now. Garibel Piguera.
Nice one!
Quiñones. Rebound on the Ninja. Sabiliano. The Ninja now! Oh! Yun out! Oh! Big Daddy! Foul! What a rebound coming from Big Daddy Alarcon. Foul on number 8. Second personal foul on Punsalan. Second team foul on Cool Warriors. 8 minutes. Short. Second free throw on Big Daddy.
Kuya, huwag mong galitin!
Rebound on the Richards. Isia! Isia! No foul! Rebound on the Richards. Foul! Foul on Quiñones. Third team foul on Cool Warriors. Starting to send them. Stop! Starting to send them.
Kung sana na-shoot mo yung free throw, pinastay ka pa ng 1 minute.
Di ba sabi ko di ba third quarter pwede na. Third quarter sabi ko pwede na.
Kaya na. Kaya nila yan.
Third quarter sir, usapan natin.
Relax na kayo.
Sabiliano. Oh! Turnover by Adamson. Back-to-back turnover. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. 15-point lead on Adamson. 45 to 30. Supino. Escape. Side step. Nice defense on Agent Makalalan. Agent Makalalan now. Pass to the Ninja. Ninja Sabiliano. Coast to coast. Goes over. Rebound on Quiñones. Capillera. Substitution rep, sub. Foul on Quiñones. Warning for penalty on Cooley Warriors. Second personal foul. Sub rep, sub. Subido out. Punsalan in Lungsod. Sabiliano. To Agent Makala. 10 to shoot. Lapigera again. Wow, Lapigera. 47 to 30. 17-point lead now on Adamson. Our semi-final match between Adamson Cool Warriors. 47-30. Quiñones. Back to Lungsod. It's a take. Quiñones again. 10 to shoot. 10. Hey! Short. One second. Who's foul left? Foul on number 2 against Adamson. Second team foul on Adamson. First on Uno, number 1. Foul on number 1, Uno. Second team foul on Adamson.
Ayaw magbigay ng class.
6 minutes and 32 seconds. 6 minutes and 32 seconds.
Dapat ba kayo dyan?
Isole. Ada by Amarello. Uno. Still by Lungsod. Amarello. Yes! 32 to 47. Back to 15-point lead in Adamson. 6 minutes. Sabiliano. To Agent Pangalalan. Lapigera. Too strong. Red ball. Now, Punsalan. Pass to Quiñones. High ball, Uno. Lapigera, Sabiliano now, Garibay Isia. Sabiliano, crossover, Sabiliano. Still by Isia. Isia now, 3-2. Isia take, right, crossover. 14 to shoot, 14. Amarillo, 10 to shoot. Hey. Wow, Amarillo. 34 to 37. Portland now 13-point lead. On Adamson. Sabiliano. Fake. Agent Pangalalan. Rebound on the white shirts. Amarillo. To Isia. Isia. 5 minutes. Isia stop up. Isia dive fake. Isia out. Time out. On Adamson. 11-point lead now. On Adamson. This is our semi-final game on UAAP by Basketballista. Sadia. Back to a turnover on Adamson. Now 47 to 36. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Punsalan. Pasok Quiñones, fake. Quiñones back to Punsalan. To Isia. Short. Rebound on the red shirt. Agent Pangalalan. Lapigera. Eurostep. Lapigera. Too strong. Rebound on Punsalan to Quiñones. To Isia. Isia stop up. Isia. Looking for some. Pass outside. What a turnover against Cool Warriors. 4 minutes. 11-point lead on Adamson. Our semi-final game.
Harap tao!
Sadia. To Isole. Air Bridger. Pow! Foul on number 8. On Punsalan. Penalty. Substitution rep, sub. Substitution rep, sub.
Go, back up ha!
Third personal foul on number 8 on Punsalan. Now, Cool Warriors and penalty, 3 minutes and 50 seconds, 47. 48 to 36. Back to 12-point lead on Adamson.
Baksa, Torre.
49 to 36. Back to 13-point lead on Adamson. Isia. Isia. Pasag.
Ikot, masikip.
Looking for Isia. Bang! On Isia! 49-39. Back to 10-point lead. Adamson. Istore. To Sadia. Back to Arad. Istore again. Take to shoot. Short. Sabi to Sunep. Sub. Sabi to Sunep. Lapit it out. Alarcon in. Now Isia. Kadi pa Alarcon. Isia. Favorite shot. Tunin out. Oh! Parador! Shot! Parador! Foul! Who's ball up? Foul on 35. Agent Makalalad.
Warning na yan si Makalalat.
13 foul on Adamson. Third personal foul on Agent Makalalad. 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Samayan mo yung galam ni Sia. Patrahin mo yun ng 13.
49 to 39. 49 to 40. 9-point lead now by Adamson. This is our semi-final game, semi-final match. On UNP, Alarcon. Short. Foul. Foul on number 19. Substitution rep, sub-rep.
Malalad.
Agent Makalalad out, De La Cruz in. Refill out. Amarillo in. Our score 49 to 40. 9-point lead on Adamson. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. First basket on Simbaco. Bonus throw. Rebound. Really.
Tao muna, tao.
Short. Short again. Lungsod. Pass to Pasag. Wow! Pasag! 8-point lead now. Oh, Adamson. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Slowly but surely now, Cool Warriors. On 8 points. 14 to shoot. 14. Amarillo. Pasag. Foul. Foul on Sadia. Substitution. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty on Adamson. Substitution. Isole out. The director in. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 42 to 50. 8-point lead. On the white shirts. Adamson. Bounding the door, Parador to Isia. Pasag. Right by Sadia. Parador. Air ball. Parador again. Parador. Take. Drive. Still by De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Simbaco. Sadia. Carry by Pasag. 1 minute and 45 seconds. The director Sablan. Carry by 2. The director. Short. Rebound on the red shirts. Parador. 3 on 1. 2 on 1. Pasag. Save back. Pasag. One time. Air ball. Rebound by Isia. 14 to shoot. 14. 10. Air ball. 1 minute and 19 seconds. Substitution rep, sub-rep. Dadora, Parador out. Subino in. 1 minute and 19 seconds. 50 to 42. Still favor of the white shirts. Adamson. De La Cruz to Alarcon. Back to Sadia. 14 to shoot, 14. De La Cruz. In and out. Rebound on the director Sablan. 14 to shoot, 14. 1 minute. 10 to shoot. Sadia. Oh, Simbako. Nice pass coming from Sadia. 45 seconds. Lungsod. Oh, nice defense on covering violation Lungsod. 42 seconds, 42. Sa direktor ng Sablan. Cardi by Isia. 35 seconds. 14 to shoot. Sadia. Strong. Rebound on Isia. 25 seconds. Isia, 1-1 by Sablan. Strong. Rebound on Sibido. 20 seconds. Short. 11 seconds, 11 seconds, 11. Nice, 11 seconds. 10. 5. Bang, 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 bang. On pasok. And for third quarter, score now 52 against 45 on Adamson. Stepping on the line, stepping on the line, stepping. Cool Warriors fall. Cool Warriors. One great defense coming from Cool Warriors now. 4.50 lead against Adamson. 52 to 48. Now Isia. Isia drive. Isia. Pass to Subido. Okay. Subido to Pasag. Pasag. 14 to shoot. 14. Steal by Sablan. La Peguera. All alone on La Peguera. 54 to 48. Back to 6-point lead on Adamson. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Lungsod. Pass from the Mighty Mouse now. Mighty Mouse. Mighty Mouse. Stop pump. Pull up jumper. Too strong. The director again. La Peguera. La Peguera. La Peguera. Foul. Foul on number 6. Lungsod substitution. Direct substitution. First team foul on Cool Warriors. Warning on Lungsod. Fourth foul on Lungsod. Now 6-point lead, 7-point lead on Adamson, 55 to 48. This is our semi-final match. Do or die game. 56 to 48, 8-point lead now. Adamson, now Mighty Mouse, Isia. Isia, Cardi by La Peguera. To Amarillo. Hey. He's still by the white shirt again. Back-to-back turnover on Cool Warriors. Oh! La Peguera. Cardi by Pusalan. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on Quiñones. Second team foul, Cool Warriors. Third, personal foul on Quiñones. 8 minutes. The winner of this match will advance to the final game against UP or NU. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Basket substitution there. Basket sub. Substitution there. Sub. Now back to 11-point lead on Adamson. 59 to 48. Last 8 minutes of our semi-final match. Cool Warriors against Adamson. Pasag. Down. Foul on number 21 on the Director Sablan. First personal foul on the Director Sablan. First team foul against Adamson.
Fourth quarter na tayo. Fourth quarter na. Kaya mo ta? Tatlo tayo. Fourth quarter. Isa hindi ko nagamit kanina. Gamit lang.
Short. Oh, Agent Pangalanan, foul.
Kaya mo ta?
What's that?
25. Hilang.
Foul on number 15. On pasag. 13 foul, Cool Warriors. 13 foul. Sabiliano. To Agent Pangalanan. Pangalanan now. 14 to shoot. La Peguera. Agent Pangalanan. Time out! Oh, blue shirts. Tupusalan. Quiñones. Again, airball. Amarillo. Short. Libalo Quiñones. Fake. Right. Black. Oh, yun out again. Libalo Quiñones. Agent Pangalanan. Agent Pangalanan now. 7 minutes. Oh, what the pass. Black by Sia. Black again. What a back by 14 to shoot. 14. What the defense coming from Puchalan and Quiñones. 6 minutes and 48 seconds. 14 to shoot. La Peguera. 10. 5. Rebound on Amarillo. Foul.
Ayun, nakakita ng foul.
Foul on La Peguera. Pushing foul on La Peguera. Second team foul against Adamson. 6 minutes and 27 seconds. 6 minutes and 27 seconds. First in La Peguera. Puchalan. Isia. Stop up. 10 to shoot. 10. 5. Yes! Oh, Quiñones! 61 to 50. 6 minutes. 11 point lead now on Adamson. Agent Makalalan. Pass to the Director Sablan. In and out. Rebound on Quiñones. Quiñones to Isia. Isia looking for Pasag. Pasag all the way. Bang! 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 Time out! Again on Adamson. 54 to 61. La Peguera. Cardinal Puchalan. 1 and 1 to Agent Pangalanan. 14 to shoot. 14. 10. Ah, Director. Too strong. Isole. Oh, foul. Foul number 11 on Amarillo. Warning for penalty on Cool Warriors. Warning for penalty. Second personal foul on Amarillo. Nice defense, La Peguera. Sabiliano. La Peguera. Short. Rebound ng Quiñones. Amarillo. Puchalan. To Isia. Isia now. Drive. Isia. Hirap. Agent Puchalan. Magalanan. Step on the line. Stepping on the line ng Pasag. Stepping on the line ng Pasag. Nice steal, but substitution there, sub. 4 minutes and 33 seconds of our last quarter. Do or die game. Good Warriors versus Adamson. Falcons. Sabiliano. 1-1 kay Sia.
Go, Jake!
Asal. Fake. Bye-bye. Bang! 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 Olay Sia! Oh, warning on number 27, Dadora Parador for delay the game. 5-point lead now. Oh, Nelson, 61-56. La Peguera. Stop, boom, shot. Paso sa Biliano. Sa Biliano, stop, ha? Agent Pangalanan. 14 to shoot, 14. La Peguera. Whoa! La Peguera, 63-56. Nice defense on Adamson.
One time out.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. Isole. Sabiliano. Pupasan. 14 to shoot. 14. 10. Atador Apolador. Sumulostro. Hasan. Fake. Bye. Sabiliano. 14 to shoot. 14. Atador Apolador. Quiñones. Steal by Sablan. La Peguera. Fake. Oh, La Peguera. Time out. On Green Warriors. 65 against the 56.
Yung press lang, guys.
Now I see it. Pass out. Ibang Quiñones. Sablan. Sabiliano. Bang! 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 On Sabiliano! 68 now to 56. 12-point lead on Adamson. Isia. Adamson ball, Adamson. Substitution, reps up. Adamson ball, Adamson. Last 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Steve Amarillo. La Peguera. To Sablan. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Agent Pangalanan, in and out. Iba na lungsod. Lungsod to the door of the door. 58 to 68. 58 to 68. 1 minute and 42 seconds. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Isia. Tindahan ng Isole. Tulong Peguera. 1 minute and 20. 14 to shoot. 14. 10. 1 minute. 1 minute. Wow! Lungsod! Time out! Oh, Nelson, 60. This is our semi-final game. Cool Warriors UE.
Kamayo, throw in.
Isole, foul.
Sabi mo kasi
Foul on the door, Aparador. 57 seconds. Penalty tail, penalty.
The door, dalawa.
Second personal foul on the door, Aparador.
Kevin, dito na Kevin. Sa gitna, sa gitna.
First free to shot coming from Air Voyager Isole. 57 seconds, 57.
No foul ah, no.
69
Honest lang.
to 60.
One stop na lang. Baba na tayo, baba na.
70 to 60. 57 seconds, 57.
Dami mo naman po.
Isia. Tupasan. Kali pa sa plan. To the door, Aparador. Isia. In and out. Ah! Isole! Wow! Foul on number 11, Amarillo. Penalty. Third personal foul on Amarillo. 42 seconds for the final game on our semi-final game. Cool Warriors against Arizona. Nice shot coming from Middle Cosagan. 71 to 60.
Huwag na ipasok. Pasok mo, 20.
Sige, hayaan mo na. Bigay mo na sa kanila.
72 to 60. 40 seconds.
Balang, di ba?
Yun lang.
Agent Pangalad sa Villano. 30 seconds.
Wag na.
Nice.
Wag na, eh.
Tara na, wala tayo mainit.
74 to 60. 22 seconds. 22 seconds. No time out. No time out. No time out.
Ang finals ulit. Oh my God.
No time out. Rep. No time out.
Okay, sumurrender na.
Dali na.
Miss Sports.